Hello guys and welcome back to Go Invest. Today I'm going to educate you guys on how to make money from affiliate marketing for free. The meaning of affiliate marketing is a marketing model in which a company pays commission to the third party publishers, that is you guys, for generating or leading the traffic to the company's products and services. Alright guys, now let's get to the steps to earn money from affiliate marketing. The first step is create an account in affiliate marketing websites, and I personally uses Involve Asia and Access Trade. Both of these websites are totally free to sign in, and check out the link in the description below to create an account for free today. The second step is find products that you want to publish. Once you have created an account and your account is verified, you guys can publish the link of the company's products and services like Shopee, Lazada, Adidas and more. Then the third step is publish the link in social media like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and more, because publishing the link in social media is the most effective marketing strategy. Finally, the fourth step is do paid ads like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads and more to target specific audience, and also this step will increase your click-through rate than before. That means more sales. Alright guys, we have come to the end of this video, and these are the steps to earn money from affiliate marketing for free. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more.